It's a fact that in one way or another, the stock market affects everyone. Just because you choose to ignore the stock market does not mean the stock market will ignore you.
Among accomplished investors, there's really no argument. History and experience are both proof that true mastery of the market is about much more than just picking stocks. It's about building a complete portfolio management system and creating a solid foundation for your investing. Tensile Trading is about building that system. It's about giving you the knowledge and the tools and the understanding necessary to achieve long-term success as an investor.
My name is Gatis Roze, and I've been educating investors for a decade and a half. I first started investing myself in the stock market at 16. Graduated from Stanford with an MBA and then embarked on an entrepreneurial career in Silicon Valley. I retired in my early 40s to manage my own assets full-time, which I've done now for 25 years. Since 2000, I've been teaching college investment classes to adult investors, writing the Trader's Journal blog since 2012, and presenting seminars across the U.S.
My name is Grayson Roze, and similar to my father, I started investing from a very young age. First under his guidance and then trading my own account at the age of 18. I ended up studying economics and psychology at Swarthmore College, which allowed me to explore behavioral finance and consider the real-world application of those subjects and how they affect investors on a day-to-day basis.
Tensile Trading was written for the individual investor, one who would like to manage a portion or all of their personal assets themselves. It's clearly been our experience that if you are willing to make an effort to learn, you can actually outperform the majority of money managers for two simple reasons. One, no one else is going to have the same passion or motivation to manage your money the way you do. Two, you have a big advantage right out of the gate since you're not having to pay managers their fees.
When you look at the financial industry, developments in technology and globalization and the expansion of ETFs have really connected all corners of the world. And while that's a fantastic thing in so many ways, investing today can feel, to many people, like a daunting or even an impossible task. We believe those fears or reservations are misplaced, and we see ourselves as living, breathing proof that this can be done. You can successfully manage your own assets, you can beat the money managers, and you can beat the market.
There are a number of things that make the book unique. Some of the most obvious are the father-son collaboration. Another, I would say, is the fact that the book is based on my 25 years of investing my own money and not clients' money. I think also the content has been fine-tuned by not just myself, but thousands of students, and as well as the Trader's Journal blog, which I've been writing since 2012 and has achieved a global audience. And then finally, it's unique in the sense that the color aspect of the book's graphics and the visual elements are quite unusual and add a lot of clarity and simplicity to what can be very complex topics. Personally, when I began thinking about the legacy and what I would leave behind, it wasn't so much about leaving a legacy for my son, it was about leaving a legacy in my son. And the book has achieved exactly that. So I believe that parents and grandparents will get insights about how to excite their own family about investing, and that's very exciting. The bottom line is whether your desire is to invest 1 hour a week or actually be a full-time investor or anything in between, Tensile Trading will show you how to build wealth through the process of all 10 stages and achieve stock market mastery.
We're tremendously proud not only of this book, but also of the impact that this material has had on the thousands of investors that it's touched over the last 16 years. It's our hope that this book empowers you and serves as your guide to many years of successful investing.